Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's have a look at the euro currency once again. So in general, market feels relatively well. So actually the turmoil on the Monday has limited impact on the performance of the euro currency. I would say that it was even able to hold and keep in bullish context. As we talked already about this, market stand near the resistance area and forming the flag consolidation, which is potentially bullish combination after the strong upward action. So by taking a look at the daily chart, we see that next nearest standing target is around 111.80. We are not considering right now this big ABCD pattern, just because COP already has been completed, as you could see from the analysis of the weekly chart. But the for OP, it's too extended distance. That's why we're talking about next extension pattern has the target around 111.80. At the same time, it's really low chances that market will reach this target next week, because our body area, if you remember, stands somewhere in around this level, and which makes us think that most probable that next week market will be focused on the targets only of this minor hand shoulders pattern and its XOP extension. Sorry, it's OP extension right there. So I'll show you on lower time frames. Meantime, with the appearing of the bearish grabber on the 10-year bonds, suggesting that the yields should decrease, that could provide additional support to the euro currency. And in general, this week, our fundamental analysis is dedicated to the combined performance, combined policy of the Bank of Japan and the Fed. That's actually the thing that will determine the direction of many markets in the nearest couple of months. But our analysis suggests that euro should feel relatively well in the current circumstances. The reasons we explain in the report, so if you would like, you could read it. There's some really factors exist that's already in the public area that suggest that Fed should keep the situation under the control and doesn't let market to collapse. So based on the action that we saw on Monday, I would not see a really big sell-off in euro currency, which means that in general European markets are almost not involved in this process. That is logical, just because United States assets right now give best yield, and that's why the carry trade on the Japanese yen mostly is focused on the assets in the United States. That explains why the euro almost has not been hurt with this significant sell-off that has followed. So on a lower time frame, on the full time frame chart, market is forming this type of action. This, by the way, the target that I talked about. It's OP around 1060 approximately. Our invalidation point, as you understand, will be below the C point, 10770 lows, and together with actually daily confidence support around 10825, 10850, it creates a few trading space that we intend to work in the coming week. On the lower time from the hourly chart, we do not have yet the clear picture what the particular levels market could reach with downward retracement. And here is an area where you should take the initiatives in your hands. So in fact, here the situation is changing every hour, and as it stands right now, reaching of the OP seems good scenario, because 108.45 agrees with the daily confidence area. And the completion of this OP could give us really great chance for taking the long position. At the same, this is one way of action. If, for instance, market stand here, start forming reverse hand and shoulders, this will be different way of action that we should take. Just keep an eye on the hourly chart, see what will happen. We're share with you with the direction, we'll share with the trading range that we intend to work in. major levels, targets, but unfortunately we can't cover the performance of the hourly chart because it's really fast. And from that standpoint of view, this is some kind of your homework that you need to do with the analyzing of the hourly chart and reacting on the patterns that it's forming. So that's actually what we have currently on euro currency. Let's keep watching. In general, context remain bullish, and hopefully coming week will be a bit more active compared to what we had this week. We will have the CPI report, gross domestic product report from Japan once again, so it might be interesting.